Hello guys, this is Preetham Sarkar and you are watching Superhuman. Today's topic is why I invest my money, and let's get into it. Honestly speaking, people makes a lot of money in their entire working life, which is 15 to 20 years or maybe even more. If you paying attention, you can earn a lot of money on this working life in my point of view. So now if you ask me why, I would say it rather take a lot of time to earning and gathering your money than spending it. And if you don't do that, your money will find a way to go out of your hands very quickly. Very interesting fact. Average life expectancy in the United States is 78 years. And guess what? I've already spent 22 years. Now, maybe I work for 20 to 25 more years. And after that, I would get old and I won't have the same amount of energy that I have right now. So what should I do? Why I'm investing for that? So when I would get old, so I can live off my money that I invested earlier. Does that make sense? I think it does. And my plan is start investing as soon as possible so I can watch my money grows little by little, and potentially someday it creates a big mass capital for myself, and so I can live off that money after my retirement, as we speak earlier. And hit the like button.
So look, what if you invested Microsoft in 2015, and how much percentage of the money that you get from that Microsoft? So look around here, I select the 5-year growth rate, and suppose you started investing on 2015 May 22 when Microsoft was only whopping 46.86, and then you'll continue to invest and never touch your money and never withdraw your money from your brokerage and stuff like that. And see, it continues, the momentum is up and up and up, and right there on 2018 it has a little dip, and then but it still managed to grow, and it's 2019 day of today, $185.35. so we started from $47 and it end up here $185.35. see, 321.54% growth rate of that stock if you just invest $47 on the Microsoft. Okay, we're looking at our investing portfolio, which is 2,175. So in 1 week I'm down $10.53. In 1 month I'm up $182.38. In 3 months I'm up $233.58. In 1 year I'm up 224.50 cents, and all time I'm up $223.66, which is 11% I managed to get. So these are my stocks that I brought: Microsoft, VXUS, Techie, SCHH, SPTL, AT&T, Ford, Aurora Cannabis, BRX, Flower Foods. So I want to show it to you guys. I brought 2 stocks which is new and which I wanted to buy for a long time, that's real estate. So I brought one VNQI, Vanguard Global X US Real Estate ETF. I am down a bit, but I am looking for the long term. It's very good on the dividend yield. Check out the dividend yield, 3.72%. That's a very good dividend yield, and I brought it on February 14th. And I brought one more stock, which is SCHH, Schwab US Rate ETF. Look at the earnings. Look at the past week gain is 39 cents. 1 month $1.45. 3 months $1.61. Look at the 5-year, if you don't mind, 7.49. Okay, now see 1 year, it managed to get 10% of the interest. 10%, it's a very good and very solid amount that you will not get in any other banks and stuff. So you see, if I invest and hold this for only 1 year, I would manage to get 10% of my money if we're not having any recession anytime soon, but I don't know about that, and let's check into it. So yeah, that's the thing.
So why should millennial invest? First of all, the stock market is very volatile in my point of view, and it's very high risk of getting your return as much as you wish. But as you look at it, the stock market has a history of giving good position for the long term and good profits for the long term as well. So in my case, they should not think about the high risk or volatility if they're investing in a good manner and if they're mixing their portfolio very well. So the asset allocation should be good for the good return. And second of all, the advantage of investing in the stock market or anywhere for the millennials is retirement. Retirement is something that after you retire for your job, no matter government job, no matter private job, so you want to settle down. That's the age for you to settle down, and after you settle down, you should have the same cash flow coming in on your bank account or on your retirement account or on your brokerage account or on the stock market account, whatever. So that's a very good thing. Another thing I would say, set a budget. When as your millennial, you should set a budget for yourself, and you should put the money into the savings account monthly basis or weekly basis or bi-weekly basis. So the next thing is prepare for an emergency fund, which can contain of your 1 to 6 months income that supposed to be in a savings account and will collect interest while you lay off from the job or something like that. Another thing, manage your debt. Manage your debt as fast as you can, as quickly as you can. As fast you're gonna pay them off, you can save more money, and those money can get more interest. Taking chances as soon as possible. So what do I mean by this? If you're not in the game, you don't have any chance to win or stay in the game. So as soon as possible, you go involved into the market, you play with it, you stay, you hold on your money, you hold that stock down, and then watch it grow, invest more. These are the little things that you need to learn over the course of your investing time. So I would suggest you should take some chances to gain some things, and you have to sacrifice, you have to hold on stuff, you have to be patient to be, earn something. It takes a lot of patience, trust me. Here is the fact that from 2016 to 2019, we are getting a lot of news that market's gonna go down, but it didn't happen yet. I'm not saying that market won't go down. It's gonna go down eventually at some point. So you need to set some cash aside for on that particular downtime, so you can buy expensive stock at a cheaper price. It's a particularly sale of stocks, you know what I mean. So that is the thing. Do investing, do your research, and this channel is solely for entertainment purposes and my own point of view. I'm not any financial advisor, and I don't hold any kind of certificates, and it's just my point of view. I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys doing well. Thank you so much. I will put one Robinhood investing link down below. Please check it out, and I will put 2 more links of 2 YouTubers. They also keep working hard, and please do check the channel link down below. One of my friend is Igor, and another friend is Ate Erika. Please do check the channels down below. Thank you so much, and keep watching.